Hi guys, welcome to TechBricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Printify Mockup background, a new feature in 2023. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So first up, what we're going to do is to open our web browser and sign into our Printify account. Now here we will be in our catalog section, and what we're going to do is to simply choose a product that we would like to sell. Say for instance this t-shirt we have right here, so I just click on it, and then basically what we're going to do is to click on the start designing button here. Once you've started designing, what we're going to do first is we're gonna add a graphics or like a design that you would like to input or put into your t-shirt or to your product. So there, say for example I'm gonna make use of this pre-made graphic from Printify, and then basically we'll just wait for it to be attached, and then let's save the product. Basically we will be routed in this section. However, of course we want to add a mockup background, so let's go back and edit the image. So here are our sample mockups. As you can see, the default background is white. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply scroll down, and then we're going to, let's click on the preview button instead. And then after which we're going to scroll down, and there you can actually see mockup background. So what we're going to do is to simply add a background or add an image for our background. You can actually use Canva like what I did. I inputted my brand, and at the same time I want to make use of this background. So make sure that your design is like in JPG format or PNG format, the one that is actually available and good for Printify Mockup. So there. Now I'm gonna make use of this one. Maybe not the full of it would be shown up, but as much as possible try to have an image that is 2048 by 2048 pixels, so that it would all be good and not a part of it would be covered. And that's how we add a mockup background to our Printify. Hope you find this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.